Just look at that. Look at that. Hiya, it's me, Janaira, and welcome to my channel. If you are new here, I hope you would like this video and decide to stick around. Just subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And today I will be testing out another makeup product, and it's another KKW, Kim Kardashian West Contour Kit Dupe. And this time it's from the Makeup Revolution. So it looks like this. As I've said on my previous video, I do not own the KKW Beauty Contour Kit, so I won't be able to compare this one to the real one, but I have already tested the other dupe, which is from Primark. If you haven't watched that yet, just click that I button up there, so you will be able to watch that. So this time I will be trying out this cream highlight and contour kit by Revolution. They've just been recently upgrading their brand, so it's just now Revolution, which is previously the Makeup Revolution. So yeah, we'll just be testing this out and we'll see. I've recently been enjoying cream contour, so I am excited to try this one. This looks a lot like the KKW Beauty Contour Kit. It has got the contour stick and highlight stick, and of course the brush. So at the Revolution Beauty website, they only have 4 shades, which is fair, light, medium, and dark. So I've got the medium shade right here, and they've been saying that they will be coming out for more shades, but maybe because they've been busy with their brand upgrade, they haven't done that yet. But yep, they've got 4 shades, which is a good start. So I'm just gonna open this kit and let's see what's inside. Let's just start with the packaging. Here how it looks like. This bit right here is nude in color, and this 2 barrels or tubes, they're rose gold, and the brand is written in rose gold as well. So there's nothing written in the packaging, it's just the brand. It says Revolution, Makeup Revolution London, and there's nothing. So you won't be able to know if it's the highlight or the contour if you will not open it. So it's a double-ended barrel. On one end, it's a cool tone contour stick, perfect for contouring, and then one end is a bit warmer, which is perfect for bronzing and warming up your face. And then you have the highlighter. So it's the same as the contour stick. It's double-ended. You'll get like a concealer on the other side and highlighter on the other end. So it's just basically the same as the contour, but it's a highlighter stick. And then of course you'll get the sponge. This definitely looks like the KKW brush. So it's a double-ended brush as well. Brush on one side or one end and a sponge on the other end. I'm really excited to try this one. This feels soft. The whole kit, they just feel and look so expensive than it actually is. So yeah, let's start trying them out. So I've already got my eye makeup on. I've got my favorite foundation on, which is the Revlon Color Stay, and of course I have spot concealed my spots with the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Define concealer, which I really do love. So now I'm just gonna contour my face using this contour stick. So the first thing that I'm gonna try out is the concealer. So I'm just gonna put this under my eye. Oh. It matches my skin tone, but usually I would like a lighter concealer for under eye, so it would brighten up my under eyes. But yeah, I'm gonna use this sponge. I usually use a sponge to blend my concealer and my foundation, so I'm really looking forward to this one. So we'll see. This sponge is not bad at all. It is definitely blending the concealer. Yeah. I think the concealer didn't do anything under my eye. But I'm gonna try to put a little bit more. This concealer is not very creamy and it's just tagging my skin. It's a bit harsh. Like I really need to press the stick really hard just to get the concealer into my skin. So this sponge is amazing. So with the contour stick, I will be using the cool toned one because the warm tone looks a bit orangey in my complexion, but that's the cool toned one. So I'm gonna use that to contour my face. So I'll just put it where I usually put my contour. Here and in my forehead. Oh. Contour stick is like the same consistency as the concealer. It is not very creamy. It has a little bit of tagging to my skin when I apply it, and I am not really happy about that, but we'll see how it blends. So I'm just gonna use the brush end of the brush and see how it goes. That blended pretty well. I really like it. This blendable, and I'm not really sure if it's the contour itself or it's the brush that makes it blendable, but I really like it. This brush is just amazing, and I think I've got the perfect shade for my contour. That's how I love my contour shade. And then I'm just gonna clean up my contour with the concealer. I'm just putting a little bit down there at the bottom of my contour, and then just use the same brush. So now I'm gonna use the highlighter stick. This is a bit gold, yellowy goldy. Yeah, with highlighter stick I usually apply it with my fingertips because the warmth of the skin would definitely help with blending the highlight, which I couldn't really see. Can you see it? No, can't see it. What do you think? Barely see it. The highlight is really subtle. Yeah, it's just for like everyday highlighting. So yep, that's it. I'm just gonna finish my makeup, just put some powder, and I'll be right back with my final thoughts. So I am back. I've got my full makeup on, and yeah, for my final thoughts. So let's start with the packaging. I'm really impressed. It does feel and look so expensive. It looks like high-end. I am really digging the rose gold and nude. I just love it. I really do love it. I just hope that they've written just a little bit of description, or just a shade, or just a marker that it's the contour stick, it's the highlighter stick, so it won't be confusing. But other than that, I am really feeling this packaging. It is really beautiful. It's gorgeous. I just wanted to talk about the brush. The brush, I am really obsessed with it. I love it. I love this flat brush, like a buffing brush. It's really soft, no hair fallout or anything, and I just love it. It really helps with blending the contour, the cream. I love it on the sponge, and I also love it. It did very well with the concealer, and I usually use sponges, so I am not really surprised that I love the sponge. I use it dry, and I think it would do well when it's damp. And I just know that I'll be using this brush from now on. With the contour stick and the concealer stick, I am not really impressed. I didn't like the consistency. It is not very creamy. After trying out their foundation stick, fast base foundation stick, which was so amazing, very creamy, it melts in your face, I was just expecting it to be like that, but it wasn't. It was not creamy and was tagging my skin, and I had to like press harder just to get the product out, and I am not really happy about that. And yeah, and the concealer, I just really hope that it was a bit lighter, although with the shade medium, it really matches my skin tone. I just prefer like my own, it's just my own preference that under the eye I use lighter concealer just to brighten up my eye. And with the highlighter, it was a subtle highlighter. I like the shade. It's really perfect for my skin tone. It wasn't just like as blinding as other highlighters, but I really like it. This is just a subtle highlight. And with the contour, just use the cool toned one because the warm tone was a little bit orangey in my skin when I swatched it, but with the cool tone shade was perfect for my skin tone. I love how it blends. It blends really well with my skin, and I just feel like it works really well with the brush, and that's amazing. What I am not really happy about the stick, I don't know how to explain it, but each time you apply it into your skin, the product itself just goes back down. You know what I mean? I don't know how to explain it. It's just a little bit annoying because every time you swipe it or you use it, you apply it, you just have to go back and twist it again so that the stick will come out, and then you apply it again, it will go down again, and then you have to twist it again. It's just annoying, and I really didn't like that bit. But other than that, it's really good. It's good. It's a good product. I love the packaging. I love the brush. It's amazing. And before I forget, this cream contour highlight kit is worth 15 pounds. I know it's a bit pricey. I was surprised as well. So yep, this is just my first impression. I am gonna continue using this. Who knows, I might change my mind. So yep, that's it for this makeup testing video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And may your day be as flawless as your makeup today. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you in my next video. Bye bye bye.